Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that could completely change your life, *how to build a six-figure income without a 9-to-5 job star. That's right. No more cubicles, no more commutes, no more answering to a boss. Imagine earning six figures while working from anywhere in the world, whether it's a beach in Bali or your cozy home office. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to achieve this dream through freelancing, consulting, and remote work opportunities. So, grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's unlock the secrets to financial freedom together. The problem with 9-to-5 jobs ***. Let's start by talking about why so many people are ditching their 9-to-5 jobs. Lack of freedom ***. You're tied to a desk for 8+ hours a day, with little flexibility. Limited income ***. Most jobs have a salary cap, making it hard to earn more without climbing the corporate ladder. Burnout ***. The daily grind can leave you feeling exhausted and unfulfilled. But what if I told you there's a better way? A way to earn more, work less, and live life on your own terms? The solution: freelancing, consulting, and remote work ***. The key to building a six-figure income without a 9-to-5 job is to leverage your skills and expertise. Here's how you can do it. 1. Freelancing ***. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. 2. Consulting ***. Use your expertise to help businesses solve problems and grow. 3. Remote work ***. Find high-paying remote jobs that allow you to work from anywhere. Let's break each of these down in detail. Step 1. Freelancing ***. Freelancing is one of the easiest ways to start earning money on your own terms. Here's how to get started. 1. Identify your skills ***. What are you good at? Writing, graphic design, coding, marketing? 2. Create a portfolio ***. Showcase your best work to attract clients. 3. Set your rates ***. Start with competitive rates and increase them as you gain experience. 4. Market yourself ***. Use social media, networking, and freelancing platforms to find clients. Example ***. Sarah, a graphic designer, started freelancing on Fiverr. Within a year, she was earning $8,000 per month by offering logo design and branding services. Step 2. Consulting ***. If you have expertise in a specific field, consulting can be a lucrative option. Here's how to get started. 1. Choose your niche ***. Focus on an area where you have deep knowledge, like marketing, finance, or HR. 2. Build your brand ***. Create a website, LinkedIn profile, and social media presence to establish yourself as an expert. 3. Network ***. Attend industry events, join online communities, and connect with potential clients. 4. Offer value ***. Provide actionable insights and solutions that help businesses grow. Example ***. John, a marketing consultant, helps small businesses improve their online presence. He charges $5,000 per project and earns over $100,000 per year. Step 3. Remote work ***. Remote work is booming, and many companies are offering high-paying jobs that allow you to work from anywhere. Here's how to find these opportunities. 1. Update your resume ***. Highlight your skills and experience that are relevant to remote work. 2. Search job boards ***. Use platforms like remote.co, We Work Remotely, and FlexJobs to find remote jobs. 3. Prepare for interviews ***. Be ready to demonstrate your ability to work independently and manage your time effectively. 4. Negotiate your salary ***. Don't be afraid to ask for what you're worth. Example ***. Emily, a software developer, landed a remote job with a tech company that pays $120,000 per year. She now works from her home office in Portugal. The six-figure blueprint ***. Now that you know the three main strategies, let's talk about how to combine them to build a six-figure income. 1. Start small *. Begin with freelancing to build your skills and client base. 2. Scale up *. Transition to consulting or remote work as you gain experience and confidence. 3. Diversify *. Combine multiple income streams to maximize your earnings. Example ***. Mike started as a freelance writer, earning $3,000 per month. He then transitioned to consulting, helping businesses with content strategy, and now earns $10,000 per month. Lessons learned ***. Here are the key lessons I took away from this journey. 1. Leverage your skills *. Your skills are your greatest asset. Use them to create value and earn money. 2. Be proactive *. Success doesn't come to you, you have to go out and get it. 3. Stay consistent *. Building a six-figure income takes time and effort. Stay consistent and keep pushing forward. 4. Never stop learning *. The more you know, the more opportunities you'll have. How you can get started ***. Ready to start building your six-figure income? Here's how to get started. 1. Identify your skills *. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? 2. Choose your strategy *. Decide whether freelancing, consulting, or remote work is the best fit for you. 3. Take action *. Start small, but start today. Even $100 is a step in the right direction. 4. Track your progress *. Keep a detailed record of your income and expenses to stay on track. Building a six-figure income without a 9-to-5 job isn't just about making money, it's about creating freedom and flexibility in your life. It's about designing a life where you're not tied to a desk and can spend your time doing what you love. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips, strategies, and inspiration to help you achieve financial freedom. And let me know in the comments, which of these strategies are you most excited to try? What's your financial goal for the next year? Thanks for watching, and remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Until next time, keep hustling, keep growing, and keep building the life you deserve.